this is tech support. How can I help you? Ooh, okay. Have you tried turning it off and back on again? No? Okay, give that a try first and see what happens. Okay, great. Yeah, no, awesome. Happy to help. No worries. Okay, bye-bye now. Okay, so this isn't actually my job, but I do run into this situation pretty often. And it's true. Turning something off and on again really does fix a wide variety of tech problems. But have you ever wondered why? I came across a few good Reddit posts recently that do a really good job of explaining why the solution works so well. This one talks about how when machines start up, they go through a routine to put everything in its right place. Like when you go through your own routine to start your day in the morning. And sometimes things throw off that routine, which can throw off your entire day. Now, you aren't working properly. In these situations, sometimes the best thing to do is hit restart on everything. Start again tomorrow. Or this one, which I think is a really good one. A machine generally knows how to carry out a specific process. Like you know how to get from point A to point B, from home to the shop. You have a route that you normally take and know well. But if you get diverted onto a new path, you might get lost. You may not know how to get to the shop or how to get back home from that unfamiliar path. Turning something off and back on again is like bringing you back to the beginning of the route that you know how to navigate. And another user commented on this one and said there's actually a legitimate reason to keep something turned off and unplugged for 10 to 20 seconds. Some capacitors may be holding charges that are causing issues. And this 10 to 20 second break allows them to reset and lose their stored charge. And this may help the device get back on its normal path. So anyway, if you didn't know, that's why turning something off and on again fixes a wide variety of tech problems. It basically brings your device back to the starting point of the route that it knows how to navigate. It can help your device return to normal. But I think this concept goes beyond that. Resetting or restarting yourself can help fix a lot of human problems as well. It can help you return to normal. As a prime example, sleep. Going to sleep fixes so many different issues. If you're upset after an emotional day, get a good night's rest. If you're mentally drained or physically exhausted, get a good night's rest. Tomorrow is a new day. You can start fresh then. Your problems likely won't have disappeared, but you'll be in a better place to face them. You'll be back to being in your normal state, a state of intellectual and emotional balance, a state of equilibrium. If you're sick, sleep plays a huge factor in your recovery. It's what actually allows your body to rest and reset. Maybe you can tell by my voice, but I was sick over the past week, and I was thinking about this a lot, mainly about the timing of feeling like I was getting back to normal. I could tell I was getting better, not by how I was feeling at the end of each day, but rather how I felt when I woke up each morning. And that's usually how recovering from being sick goes, constantly rebooting yourself until the issues are fixed. You have to keep going to sleep and waking up, feeling a little bit better each day, until you wake up one morning and you're finally back to normal. But it's not just sleep. Sometimes you may need to reset yourself in other ways. Maybe you're burnt out from the pressure and stress of work. You've been going hard for a long time now, and maybe your battery is completely drained. And because of this, you aren't working properly. Getting a good night's rest every night isn't enough to fix this. You need to unplug for longer than that. You need to lose the stored charge that is built up within you. And once you've done that, you need time to fully recharge before you're back to being yourself. So consider resetting by stepping away and taking a break. Make sure you take care of your physical and mental health. Sometimes that might mean leaving a place that constantly drains you. And sometimes you may need a complete restart. Maybe you're not quite sure where you're supposed to be going or what you're supposed to be doing in life. Maybe you found yourself on an unfamiliar path. Maybe you've been going down it for a while, trying to find your way, but maybe you haven't been able to get anywhere. Or maybe you're tired of being lost. So you decide it's time for a complete restart. Starting over from the beginning is never easy, but sometimes it's necessary. People do this all the time. They end the long-term relationships that aren't working for them. They change careers. They go back to school to learn something totally different. They move to new cities to start new lives. Life is too short to be stuck doing something that you don't want to be doing. You can get back to working properly. You can get back to being you, but this is a decision that you'll have to make for yourself. Sometimes it'll only be you who knows you need a reset or a restart. So the next time your phone or computer isn't working properly, you know what to do first. Turn it off and back on again. Reset it. That may very well fix it. And the next time you find that maybe you yourself are not working properly, consider the same solution. Maybe you need a reset. Maybe you need to unplug and lose your stored charge. And hey, resetting yourself may not fix all your problems, but it will help get you back to normal, where you'll be in a better state to handle them. A state where you can make the best decisions for yourself. A state of intellectual and emotional balance. A state of equilibrium. Anyway, that's it for today. If you found this insightful, your thumbs up is appreciated. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos on personal development and self-improvement. And let me know in the comments about how you get back to being yourself. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.